Good afternoon. This is Emma. Come along with me for my Halloween decoration. I want to thank the design team for coming along with me today. If you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I also want to thank all of my subscribers. I am now about 9 from reaching that 500 mark, and I truly hope I reach it this weekend. But I want to thank all of you for coming along with me on this journey. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you where everything has come from. I'll give you another short overview. The ghosts you see here hanging are from the Dollar Tree. And what I've done, I've wrapped wire around them to make sure they stay in place because it's getting a little windy. The smaller ghosts are also from the Dollar Tree. And I tucked them in the trees so they wouldn't move around. Beware is from the Dollar Tree. And yes, the creepy things you see climbing down the post, they also are from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, this one is from the Party Store. The wreath here, believe it or not, it was a Goodwill find. I paid $3.99. It already had the lights in it. Ooh, scary. She was also from the Party Store, and I think I paid like $7.99 each. And over on this side, you can see I have the same. Back here in the corner, the larger one is from the Party Store, and the ghost is from the Dollar Tree. I want to thank you for coming along with me today for this scary video. And if you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.